the Department of Mathematics, Texas A&M University-Kingsville welcomes both speakers and attendees to be here for the first Statistics Day at Kingsville. Once again, the Department of Mathematics, Texas A&M University-Kingsville welcomes both speakers and attendees to be here for the first Statistics Day at Kingsville. Today's first speaker is Dr. Wino Chan, Division of Biostatistics, School of Public Health, University of Texas, Health Science Center, at Houston. The title of his talk is Some Interesting Statistical Methods in Public Health Application. Let me tell you a little bit more about him. He is our guest speaker. His talk will present some examples that use non-traditional statistical methods in public health research. At least 3 examples will be discussed. Please be here to listen to his valuable talk. Let us again welcome him here. Today's second guest speaker, from outside Kingsville, is Dr. Kalidas Chan. He is visiting us from the University of Texas at Brownsville and Texas Southmost College, Brownsville, Texas. The title of his talk is The Asymptotic Behavior of the Dickey-Fuller and the Augmented Dickey-Fuller Statistics Under Spurious Logarithms. He will tell us how the limiting distributions of the Dickey-Fuller and the augmented Dickey-Fuller statistics are affected in the true time series model setups. Please be here to listen to his valuable thoughts on these lines. Let us again welcome Dr. Kalidas Chan to be here. Today's third talk is by joint speakers, Dr. Margaret Land and Mr. Jim Sinclair, from Texas Environmental Studies and Analysis. The title of their joint talk is Statistics and the Environment. Let me tell a little bit more about them. Dr. Margaret Land is a retired professor and ex-chair of this department. Mr. Jim Sinclair has also taught for several years in the biology department. Recently, both have taken a very big responsibility to keep Kingsville beautiful, which we all need to live. Please be here to listen their research on environmental studies at Kingsville. Let us welcome both of them to be here today. Today's fourth talk from outside the department is by Dr. Vincent Lewis, from the Department of Psychology and Sociology, Texas A&M University, Kingsville. The title of his talk is The Prominence of Quantitative Methodology in American Sociology. Please be here to listen to his valuable talk. Let us welcome Dr. Vincent Lewis to be here today. Today's our first internal and the fifth speaker will be Dr. Stephen Andrew Settery, from the Department of Mathematics, Texas A&M University, Kingsville. The title of his talk is Statistics in Demography. Hopefully, we shall get a chance to learn about population pyramid and life table, which are very important for us in our daily life. How are they important to us? To learn this, please be here to listen to his valuable talk. Let us welcome Dr. Stephen A. Settery to be here today. Today's our second internal and the sixth speaker will be Dr. Cheng-Shuang Chen, from the Department of Mathematics, Texas A&M University, Kingsville. The title of his talk is, "Why U.S. Electronic and Car Industries Cannot Compete." Hopefully, he will tell us that's why the U.S. sells Boeing aircraft to China, and the Chinese sell blue jeans to Americans. It was just a joke, but please be here to listen his important views. Let us welcome Dr. Cheng Si Chen to be here today. Today's our third internal, and the seventh speaker will be Dr. Aiden Ahmed from the Department of Mathematics, Texas A&M University, Kingsville. The title of his talk is, "Wing Ways for Your Mathematical Plays." Probably, he will tell us, Diamond of a Find, covering one-player games such as solitaire and ponder subjects and questions such as purging pegs properly, pursuing puzzles purposefully, and what is life. Please be here to listen his important talk. Let us welcome Dr. Aiden Ahmed to be here today. Today's our last and guest speaker will be Mr. Kinsegli, Department of Mathematics, Coastal Bend College, Alice, Texas. The title of his joint talk with Dr. Stephen A. Sethi and Dr. Sargent Singh is Randomized Response Techniques, Privacy Protection. Let me tell a bit more about him. He recently graduated from this department and joined Coastal Bend College, Alice. He will be presenting a similar talk, which Dr. Singh presented at the ISI, Dublin, Ireland as an invited talk. Please be here to listen his talk. Let us welcome Mr. Kinsegli today to give him this talk. Message from the Chair, Professor Ravi Agarwal. It gives me a great pleasure to thank all the 8 speakers of the Statistics Day. Special thanks go to Dr. Sargent Singh for organizing this event. All the 8 lectures have been very informative, and we have received a clear message that statistics plays a very important role in daily life. We will have such events on a regular basis in our department. Thank you all once again. At the last, but not least, we are also thankful to all the faculty members and staff members of the Department of Mathematics for their hearty support to the Statistics Day. Please check the schedule. Dr. Wino Chan's talk at 9 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Dr. Aiden Ahmed's talk at 10:20 a.m. to 11:05 a.m. Dr. Stephen A. Seth's talk at 11:15 a.m. to 12 noon. Dr. Cheng Si Chen's talk at 1:15 p.m. to 2 p.m. Dr. Vincent Lewis's talk at 2:15 p.m. to 3 p.m. Dr. Margaret Land and Mr. Jim Sinclair's talk at 3:15 p.m. to 4 p.m. Dr. Kalidas Jana's talk at 4:05 p.m. to 4:25 p.m. Mr. Kinsegli, Dr. Stephen A. Sethi and Dr. Sargent Singh's talk at 4:30 p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m.